Last video was the lesson. This one's the test. This isn't a new lesson. It's a training tool, so no explanations. Just your ear versus 15 sounds. Keep score in your head, and I'll ask for your total at the end. Round 1. 5 sounds. Random order. No hints. Call out the tone as you hear it. Listen carefully. Ka, 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 ka. Listen again. Ka, 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 ka. Answers: high, rising, mid, falling, low. Score 5 points for everyone you got. Same 5 words again, but don't tune out. This time I'm making it harder. Real conversational speed, the way you'd actually hear them on the street, not slowed down for a lesson. Listen carefully. Ka, 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 ka. Listen again. Ka, 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 ka. Answers: rising, falling, high, low, mid. If real speed tie still tripped you up, that's exactly why this round exists. Round 3. Forget the 5 tone names for a second. I'll play 2 sounds back to back. You just tell me, did it go up or down? Ka, ka. Listen again. Ka, ka. First one up, second one down. Let's try again. Ka, 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 ka. First one down, second one up. Last one. You've heard this sentence before, but slow. This time, full native speed. Once, no breakdown. My, 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 my. If you caught even 2 of those 5 tones at full speed, that's a real win. Want to check yourself? Here it is one more time. Same speed. My, 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 my. My, 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 my. Answers: in order: high, low, falling, falling, rising. Add it up. Out of 15, where'd you land? 10 or above means your ear is already ahead of most learners. Under 5? Rewatch this one next week. It works better the second time. Next video, we take these tones off the drill board and into real sentences you'll actually say. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop your score in the comments. See you next time.